Your Apple Watch isn't just a fitness sidekick. It's basically a mini Jarvis on your wrist, if you use the right apps. 1. Fabulous. Habit tracker. Want to start meditating daily? Run every morning? Or just finally remember to tidy up your room? Fabulous is your Apple Watch's answer to building better habits, minus the guilt tripping. Sure, you'll need your iPhone to add habits, but once they're in, boom, your watch becomes a habit coach in disguise. And yes, you can go premium for just $1.99, or stick to the basics and still crush your goals. 2. TickTick, the task ninja. We all have that one task we keep ignoring. Or 12. Enter TickTick, your Apple Watch's to-do list sidekick. From setting tasks to assigning priority levels, TickTick keeps your day in check. You'll still need your iPhone for complex stuff like reminders and time blocks. But the magic happens when your wrist nudges you to finally call your dentist. 3. Nano for Reddit. Forget doom scrolling on your phone. With Nano for Reddit, you get bite-sized Reddit drama, news, memes, and updates, all on your wrist. 0 ads. Surprisingly clean interface. Pure Reddit chaos, made classy. Scroll responsibly, though. That AITA thread can and will destroy your productivity. 4. Flow. Track your cycle like a pro. For those who menstruate, guessing game over. Flow isn't just prettier than Apple's native cycle tracker. It's smarter, too. From flow details to ovulation windows and even partner sharing mode, Flow's your go-to app for planning treks and avoiding surprise cramps. Also, to be moms? This app is practically prenatal gold. 5. Infinity Loop. Brain trainer. Stuck in a queue? On the metro? Pretending to pay attention in meetings? Infinity Loop is your silent savior. This logic puzzle game turns your downtime into brain training. No ads, no nonsense. Each level is a new challenge, and honestly, it's more relaxing than a spa day for your mind. 6. Waterllama, because you're probably dehydrated. Let's be real. You haven't had water in 4 hours? Waterllama is the cutest hydration coach you'll ever meet. Log your drinks, track your intake, and get gentle llama nudges when you start shriveling up. Swipe down and voila. See exactly when you last had water. Stay cute, stay hydrated. 7. Stoic. Mental health on your wrist. Journaling? Sounds nice. Actually doing it? Not so much. Stoic makes it easy to log thoughts, track emotions, and even breathe through the chaos, right from your Apple Watch. Meditation sessions, breathing modes, sleep-calming features. Think of it as your emotional gym, minus the gym anxiety. 8. Dogo. Dog training on the go. Dog owners, listen up. Dogo turns your Apple Watch into a canine command center. Teach tricks, run routines, and reinforce good behavior with step-by-step visuals. All while you sip coffee and look like a pro trainer. Start with the 7-day free trial. And yes, it might just save your shoes. So, which app are you downloading first to make your Apple Watch way more than a glorified step counter? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aaron Tech.